Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the springs. The operation spring creates a 3D body as a conic or cylindrical helix-shaped spring with a round profile. This body is created by sweeping a circular profile along an helical curve defining the spring trajectory. This it seems very complex, but in fact it's very simple. I've created two simple 3D nodes to define the axis of the spring. This was the only preparation in this particular case. So under 3D model menu, we have a function on the advanced group called spring. So I will define my nodes. Okay, as you can see, I already have an helical curve, and now I will give the parameters to create the spring. So first, I can use these coils from spiral length or pitch for the spiral length. In this particular case, I want the coils. Okay. I can define the pitch if I say not 10 but 20. Okay, this defines the value. Let's put something in the middle, 15. If you see here, I have already a shape perpendicular, a circular shape, perpendicular to my helical curve. So I can define the radius. Instead of 1, let's imagine that I want 4, okay, a little bigger. I can create an offset that will not consider this point as start point but somewhere else. So let us say, for example, 20 or 200 or whatever. So it will change the position. So I will say 0 again. Then I can define right-handed or left-handed. And I can define this as being cylindrical or conical. So if I say 20 and 10, okay, you see that the shape changes. But I will say also 15, 15, a cylindrical thing, because in the rest it is the same. Then for both the start and the end, I can align this with the ending 3D node. So align or not, okay. I can, for both extremities, I can say compress and define a portion, for example 3 mil. I can compress my spring, and I can make a grinding part that counts from this starting node. So if I say ground, I can say let us stay 0 now to see the difference. So this is the compression, okay. In this particular case it is compressed. But if I say now, let's edit, ground it but 0.5, so you see from the starting node, in this particular case, it will make a grinding, a planar face on the spring on the distance that I mentioned. So this is what is necessary to work with spring, so it's very easy. And for non-circular sections, we will have the next lesson that will speak about the spiral. So any questions, contact us.